Hello everybody, it's me. Uh, I'm gonna sing a song. Rolling in the deep again. Can't think of any song again. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and tell me out, and I'll lay your ship bare. See how I'll leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside your head, and you played it to the beat. Oh my. I ran out of air. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye.